Next airdrop we're going to do is called Juiice. It's a social network. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of these coming up. We're just going to click on the Telegram bot. You're going to see this down in the description box below. You're also going to have to go to their website. And make sure you sign up with their website, because if you don't sign up with their website, you won't get their thing. And make sure you confirm your link on their website. You want to confirm that link in your email. Yeah, it's got a bunch of things here that I want you to do. Follow on all these things. I want you to join Telegram group. We'll click on that. You're going to go down here and click join. We've already joined the Telegram group. The same thing with the Telegram channel. I'm going to open that up. Or Facebook, looks like. We've already joined their channel. And just click that so it highlights and you like their thing. So we'll click the bot back up again. We'll go to Twitter. We're going to open on Twitter. And we're going to follow on Twitter as well and retweet a pinned post. So we're already following on Twitter. And then you're going to come down here, or come here to their pinned post. You're going to like their pinned post. Then you're going to retweet their pinned post as well. Okay? Then we're going to pop this up. We're going to go to their LinkedIn. I'm pretty sure we've already followed on their LinkedIn, but we'll just double check that. Nope. We'll follow right here. Just click on follow. Now we're following. Next, we're going to come down here. We're going to go to YouTube. We're going to subscribe to their channel. So we'll open that up. So we're going to go over here and click subscribe. Bring the bot back up and follow on Steemit. I don't have Steemit, so we can't do that. Follow ICO on Steemit, follow ICO on Twitter. We don't have Steemit, so we can't do that. So you can do that if you want. That's totally your thing. We've already followed this ICO here announcement. So we'll bring that down. And next we're going to go to submit your data. They want your Facebook profile link first. So we're going to copy and paste our Facebook into there. Next, I want your Twitter ID put in. So we'll copy and paste your Twitter ID into that right there. Yes, we follow it on LinkedIn. Want your LinkedIn profile link. So just copy and paste that right into there. And we will click on this. Did you subscribe to the YouTube channel and like one of their videos? We should probably like one of their videos right now. We'll just go on to here, pop their video up, like one of their videos. Copy and paste that right into there. Click next. If you follow on Steemit, no, we got to skip this task, but if you did it, great. Put that task in there. Did you follow on Twitter and repeat the post? Yes. Lastly, submit your Ethereum address format. So we're going to put your ERC20 wallet in there. So now just copy and paste your ERC20 wallet. And one thing that I noticed that we forgot, go back because they want to retweet their post. So we're going to go there, open that. We're going to come down here, and we didn't retweet this one, so we're going to like it. And I've actually already retweeted it, but if you haven't done this airdrop, make sure you retweet the post. We'll pop the bot back up here. You can join this lottery if you want. I'm just going to click on no. So over here it's going to have your balance of what you have. We've got 52,000 of this. You can send this out, this referral link out. Just copy that and put that somewhere. That's the end of this airdrop. We're off and on to the next one. Thank you. And just one more thing before we stop this video, I'm going to put a link down in the description of their website. Their website link should probably be in here, but I'll put it down in the description in case you don't have it. And you got to sign up with their website as well. That's the end of this airdrop.